Hello and welcome to Go for Gold's first interview of the year on our YouTube channel. My name is Kanenelo Ramego. I do the fundraising and communications for the Go for Gold Education to Employment program. Today we have the pleasure of interviewing Go for Gold's Gauteng top student of 2025, Kanenelo Ramego. Hello and good day from Go for Gold Student Zone. Today I have the pleasure of interviewing Kanenelo Ramego, Go for Gold's top Gauteng student of 2025. Well done again on your massive achievement of getting 84% for maths and 91% for physical science. That is absolutely well done.
Thank you. It's an honor.
Great stuff. So I want to take this opportunity just to get to know you a little bit better. Would you like to tell us a bit about yourself?
Oh, yes. So as you indicated, my name is Kanenelo Ramego. I was with you guys, Go for Gold. I'm from KwaThema Springs in Johannesburg. Yes. So me, myself, my family, I have two parents living with them, a twin brother as well, yes, and two older siblings, and yes, we're a family of six. And I started off primary school in the school called Timon Primary School, based in KwaThema as well. Then moved on to Pulong Secondary School, where I got my matric. Yes.
Okay, wonderful, man, wonderful. And how did you hear about the Go for Gold program?
I heard it from a life science teacher is at our school. She said that there's a program called Go for Gold that recruits learners interested in engineering and construction industry. And then I was like, I have to join that thing. It's a must.
Okay. Well, we're really glad that you did. And we're looking forward to seeing the path that you follow on our full-phase program, because it definitely makes a difference to the young people that are doing it. And so you joined in grade 11 last 2 years ago, and then you attended our weekly maths and science tuition classes. Do you want to tell me how those helped you or affected your marks?
They've helped me a great deal, like a lot, because before joining the program, especially in grade 10, my maths and physics marks were not that good. It was like level 2, level 4. So joining the Go for Go program like gave me and giving me those extra classes actually gave me an extra push to study harder. With like people such as Dr. Pile and Chube also helping us as a collective this year to further understand the curriculum.
Brilliant.
Yes.
Oh, that's really, really great. And another component of the Go for Gold program is our leadership development training that focuses on soft skills development. How did you find the leadership development training classes?
They were great. Yes, they were great. At first, like I wasn't really open into it because like sharing our feelings and stuff. But as time went by, especially in grade 12, I really like got to appreciate it and actually love being in those classes. Like it was my favorite part of the week. So speaking, engaging with others, learning new skills, how to manage your time, how to cope with your feelings, the stress, and I'm actually using it as I'm in like the internship right now. They're actually very critical.
Okay, that's very good. So it's a vital life skill. And we found with our students, it definitely helps them learn to build their confidence while also developing their personal accountability for their participation in the program. So we say, here's the opportunity, but it's up to you to speak up and take the opportunity, which is quite valuable. And what is your future career aspiration?
So my future career aspiration is chemical engineering. I want to become it's chemical engineering.
Oh, that's very interesting. How did you learn about that?
So I knew I wanted to do from like entering high school. I always knew I wanted to do engineering, but I've always been like conflicted on what kind of engineering. So I did my research. I came across chemical engineering. I was interested. It's like it's everywhere, and like I loved it so much because it gave me the flexibility to be in main industries where you wouldn't think that they need a chemical engineer, but chemical engineers are, for me, the future. Because even things such as like COVID showed us that you actually need people who with a lot more chemical experience, to see. And I love that it combined it with engineering. So the properties of such things such as plastic, you think like the complexity which has to come with plastic, like a simple bottle of plastic, how they had to take the softening points, all those things. Like it's actually quite fascinating, and yes, so that's how I actually ended up wanting to do chemical engineering.
I can hear that you are very passionate about it. So I always find that if you align your passion with your job, it doesn't feel like a job anymore. So you'll probably really enjoy it. And for the third, right now you're doing your internship, and you'll probably continue to attend the leadership development training. The internship leadership development training focuses on work readiness and how to make you an asset for your employer. Now, I know that you've just begun there at your company. What is your company called?
Spray pave under much asphalt.
Okay, yes, Much Asphalt is a new partner to Go for Gold, and we're very excited to have them on board. And what is it that you would like to get out of this year?
Sort of this year, it's of course a job experience, but more than that, I want to like have a memory or a like experience, but also like being part of a family, the Manchester family as well. I want to learn, like as I said, I wanted to become a chemical engineer. So the laboratory, we are doing stuff, they are showing us the bitumen, the Manchester, everything. So from this, I want to take that information, that knowledge, and that pride that says I was once part of this, and I want to come back to it. Says.
Oh, that's wonderful. Yes, we found that a lot of our students, their loyalty begins to a company, a partner company of ours, when they've done the internship, and then they often want to return after they graduate. And as far as moving into the third phase next year, when you go to university, have you identified a university that you're keen on enrolling in?
Yes, it's actually vet. Yes, I want to go to vet.
Okay,
Yes.
fantastic. So yeah, now's your time to shine on site, and get the company to fall in love with you, and hopefully they are able to offer you a bursary. But luckily, if they are unable to, Go for Gold will also assist you to get a bursary for your multiple years of study, which is quite nice. And then you'll come out on the other side as a technical graduate, which we are very excited to see. And no, that's absolutely a fantastic and exciting journey ahead of you. If I had to say to you, if you had a message for younger Go for Gold students, what would you say to them?
In terms of academics or like just life in general.
Well, both. I mean, to pursue what they want to do in their lives, and also importantly, to break the cycle of poverty through personal empowerment. What would you advise to the young people?
I think my advice would be never succumb to the levels of way of your environment. Always strive to become bigger and better than everything else. So for me, it's have the heart, have the determination, and have the passion to want to be one of the greats. Like inspire to be the best version of yourself you can throughout everything. Like do everything you want to do it with passion, do it wholeheartedly, and things will work out. You'll succeed. Always strive for success, and it will happen. Pray if you must, but you pray, meditate, just do everything. Keep yourself healthy in mind. Avoid distractions at every cost possible, and for me, just all those things we learned in leadership development, keep them, keep those files, keep those talks. Those actually will take you far, and I really miss those talks. So it's a
So, CC Knox is special, hey, as well as Cholo, and the facilitators are wonderful. No, but and do you think you would come back to mentor younger grade 11 and 12 students?
Yes, I think yes, I want to, because even this year, since I'm around my neighborhood, I wanted like to maybe join where they are again extra, where they're teaching again, tutoring others to students. Yes, I wanted to do something like that to give back and give my 2 cents, which I learned from Go for Gold to others, while teaching them academics and maybe leadership development if I can.
Yes, and even being a supportive mentor to motivate and be there to talk to them if they need some advice or support. That's really wonderful. And we found that to be a very effective aspect of our program is our older students coming back to work with the younger ones to keep them aligned and motivated. So thank you that you're willing to do that. I think that's brilliant. But yeah, no, that now concludes our short interview. I just wanted to thank you so much for making the time. I know you are at work, and we're very grateful to your company to avail this time for you as well for me to interview. And I wish you everything of the best in the year to come. And I'll be keeping an eye from the sideline on how you're doing.
Thank you. Yes.
Thank you so much.
Thank you and goodbye.
Goodbye. That concludes our interview today. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel to stay tuned for more feel-good stories in future. For more information, please visit www.goforgold.org.za. Thank you and goodbye for now.